Hi everyone, welcome to Passionate About Tech. If you've ever wanted to capture your screen, whether it's for tutorials, gaming, or presentations, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to use OBS Studio for screen recording. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open up OBS Studio. If you haven't installed it yet, head to obsproject.com and download it for your system. I'll assume you already have it installed and ready to go. When you launch OBS, you'll see a default scene. We'll work with that for now. Next, head down to the bottom right and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Output tab. Make sure your output mode is set to Simple. We're focusing on screen recording today, not streaming. Under Recording, choose your recording path. This is where your videos will be saved. Pick a folder that's easy for you to find later. For recording quality, select High Quality, Medium File Size. It balances quality and performance nicely. Set your recording format to MP4. It's widely supported and easy to work with. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, set the encoder to NVENC H.264. If not, stick with X264. Once you've done that, click Apply at the bottom. Next, head into the video section. Set both the base, canvas, resolution and output, scaled. Resolution to 1920 by 1080, that's full HD. It gives you a nice crisp recording. For FPS, or frames per second, choose 30 for standard recording. If your system can handle it, 60 FPS will give you even smoother video. Once again, click Apply. Alright, now that the settings are done, let's set up your recording source. In the main OBS window, under Sources, click the plus button. Choose Display Capture if you want to record your whole screen. Name it whatever you like, then click OK. If you have multiple monitors, select the one you want to capture. Then, click OK again. You should now see your screen preview in OBS. Nice work! Before we start recording, a quick tip. In the audio mixer, adjust your desktop audio and microphone levels. You usually want your microphone louder than your system sounds. When you're ready, click Start Recording in the bottom right. Do your thing, whether that's gaming, teaching, or presenting. Once you're done, click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save your video to the folder you chose earlier. Easy as that. If you want, you can also add a webcam. Just hit the plus button in Sources again and choose Video Capture Device. You can position your webcam overlay anywhere you want on the screen. If you change your mind, right-click on it and select Remove. And that's it. You've now got everything you need to start recording your screen with OBS Studio. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more easy tutorials. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.